dx j naught of x is equal to minus j1 of x. Okay, now how we are going to solve this is we know that from Bessel's Jn of x is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 upon r 1 upon r factorial into gamma n plus r plus 1 into x upon 2 raised to power of n plus 2r. Okay, so this is from Bessel's. Now if you put n is equal to 0, so wherever there is n, you have to put 0. J0 of x is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity, write as it is, minus 1 upon r, 1 upon r factorial, write it as it is. Then n is 0, so what you can write? Gamma r plus 1, this will remain. Then this is what x upon 2 raised to power of 2r because the value of n is 0. So now this equation again I have written it here this. Okay, now I have to remove the derivative of this. Okay, I have to find out the derivative for this j naught. So j0 dash of x is equal to, so I will write this as summation of r is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 upon r, right as it is, 1 upon r factorial gamma r plus 1 into, now for this we are applying the chain rule, so we will get this 2r into x upon 2 2r minus 1 raised to power 2r minus 1 it is into 1 upon 2. Now here my 2 will get cancelled. Okay, so now I will get summation of r is equal to summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 upon r. Okay, so here you all have to put, wherever there is r, you all have to put r plus 1. Okay, so now this is equal to, now here r is equal to 1 was there, so it will become r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 upon, wherever there is r, you have to put r plus 1, so r plus 1. And again this is my r, so I have to write r plus 1. Here also r plus 1, where r plus 1 instead of this, and this plus 1. Okay, so r is there, instead of r you all have to put r plus 1. So here I have put r plus 1, and then this plus 1 is this one. Okay, now x upon 2 write as it is, 2 write it as it is. Wherever there is r, you will have to put r plus 1. The bracket I have put, and then there is minus 1 over here as it is. Okay, so this same step I have written it over here, same step. Okay, now this is equal to what? Now what I have done over here is minus 1 upon this, I have got it here. So you all can see, right, this step. Okay, I'll write it here. So basically it was minus 1 upon r plus 1. R plus 1, right? Yeah, so can I write this as minus 1 upon r into minus 1 upon 1. So that's what I have done it over here. See, minus 1. And then summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 upon r will remain. Okay, and then, okay, yeah, then r factorial, okay, this will become r factorial, and this is what, 1 plus r plus 1. So I have written in this form, just interchange like 1 plus r plus 1, so this part, and this x upon 2. So how I have done this part? So if it is like 2 over here, and then there is something like r plus 1 minus 1, so 2r plus 2 minus 1. So obviously what I will get is this. So this is how I got 2r plus 1. Then j0 dash of x is equal to, this is equal to minus summation of r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 upon r, and this is r factorial. This is this you all have to write it as it is, 1 plus r plus 1 into x upon 2. This 1 you all have to put it here, 1 plus 2r, so that this becomes minus j1 of x. So here also there should be 1, starting 1, and here also this. So that this you all can write it as this, d upon dx j0 of x is equal to minus this minus you all have to write here, and then this part is nothing but j1 of x, because here I am getting 1 and this is also 1, that's why. So we are done with this proof. Next I will be doing more and more problems on Bessel's. Yeah, so we are done with this.